Comparison between COVID-19 vaccines. It has been almost a year since the coronavirus outbreak was regarded as a global pandemic and public health crisis. Since then, we have made tremendous strides in dealing with the virus outbreak and also the development of vaccines. As much as it may be important to keep up with news and information, it can be daunting to decide which vaccine is better than the rest. In today's video, we have covered everything you need to know about the different types of vaccines available. Keep watching! What are the different types of vaccines in circulation? Even though you won't be able to choose which vaccine you receive, it is helpful to know how each one of these works in containing the infection. In the United States, vaccines from Pfizer, BioNTech, and Moderna are being administered to the citizens at the moment. However, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine has also received its emergency use authorization or EUA from the Food and Drug Administration or FDA. The Johnson & Johnson COVID-19 vaccine will soon be available in the market for administering, and other vaccines are on the track to do the same. In India, the government recently announced that vaccines will be available for anyone aged 18 and above from May 1. The government has also allowed states and private hospitals to purchase doses directly from manufacturing companies. Currently, Covishield and Covaxin are the most important popular doses in circulation. But soon, the Sputnik V Johnson & Johnson will be available too, along with Moderna and Pfizer. Comparison of the available vaccines. Number 1. Pfizer. After the company announced the success of their positive clinical trial data on December 11, 2020, Pfizer became the first vaccine to receive their emergency use authorization or EUA from the FDA. Following the clinical trials, it was also announced that the Pfizer vaccine is 95% effective. Pfizer is in circulation for emergency use in the United States and other countries. It is recommended for anyone above the age of 16. The company has begun testing the vaccine for children as old as 6 months. However, adolescents aged 12 to 15 are still not authorized to receive the doses. The company is working on that, and they have already submitted data and test results to the FDA regarding an amendment to their EUA. The Pfizer vaccine has to be administered in 2 doses, 21 days apart. It is an RNA or mRNA vaccine and uses a new technology quite different from the whole virus or subunit approach. This vaccine works by delivering tiny pieces of genetic code from the SARS-CoV-2 virus to host cells in the body. This essentially gives the cells blueprints for making spike proteins that stimulate an immune response, producing antibodies and developing memory cells that recognize and respond in case the body is affected by the real virus. Number 2. Moderna. Moderna was the second vaccine to receive its emergency use authorization or EUA from the FDA on December 18, 2020, exactly a week after Pfizer received its EUA. The Moderna vaccine is also an mRNA vaccine that uses similar technology as Pfizer. However, compared to Pfizer, it has a high efficacy at preventing symptomatic diseases. The Moderna has been found to be 86% effective in adults who are 65 and older. The Moderna is authorized for emergency use in the United States and other countries. However, it hasn't been approved in India yet. It is recommended for adults aged 18 and older. It is conducting its testing for children and adolescents. Its dosage includes 2 doses, 20 days apart. Number 3. Johnson & Johnson. The Johnson & Johnson vaccine was granted their EUA on February 27, 2021. But later, the CDC along with the FDA issued a joint recommendation for states to pause the administering of Johnson & Johnson. This was mainly because of serious clotting problems that were found in women ages 18 to 48 occurring a few days after vaccination. The main advantage of the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is that it is a single-dose vaccine and is easier to administer and distribute. Besides, it doesn't use the same mRNA technology as Pfizer and Moderna. Instead, it uses a virus vector approach. Number 4. Covishield platform. The Covishield is the AstraZeneca Oxford vaccine made in Serum Institute of India, which uses the adenovirus vector platform. Covishield has mild to moderate side effects and has been recommended by both WHO and EMA. It requires 2 full doses and its effectiveness is calculated at 82.4%. Covishield is one of the leading vaccines in circulation in India and is recommended for anyone aged above 18. Number 5. Covaxin platform. Covaxin is the second leading vaccine available in India, which is developed by the National Institute of Virology or NIV, Pune. It is also manufactured locally by Bharat Biotech. Covaxin has been regarded as safe and only has mild symptoms. It indicates an efficacy rate of 81% and above and can be administered to anyone aged 18 and above. It requires 2 full doses with a gap of 28 days in between. However, it should be carefully stored at a temperature of about 2 to 8 degrees centigrade, which is household refrigerator temperature. Number 6. Sputnik. The Sputnik is developed in Russia by Russia's Gamaleya Center and uses the adenovirus vector platform. It has an efficacy rate of 91.6% with only mild to moderate side effects. It requires 2 full doses with a gap of 21 days in between. It is available in India and is expected to be in circulation from May. Number 7. Remdesivir. Remdesivir is an FDA-approved broad-spectrum antiviral medication that is administered via injection to the veins. It is usually used for the treatment of hospitalized adults suffering from COVID-19. However, it must be noted that Remdesivir is not the vaccine. It is an antiviral injection that is used only in critical patients and can be only administered in a hospital setting. Remember that when it is your time to get vaccinated, don't hesitate. All the COVID-19 vaccines in circulation so far are completely safe to use. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel.